Hi everyone, Bukola here and welcome back again on my channel. You guys already know how we do it. Please smash the subscribe button to help my channel grow. And in today's video guys, I am going to be talking about extract lotion. The last video I talked about the soap, and I did it like that because of people who asked me, oh, have you done a video about extract soap, or do you have a video about extract lotion? So I could easily send a link because majority of the time those questions can get so overwhelming. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about extract lotion, a bit of comparison between extract lotion and SUBCRIBE papaya lotion as well, because I have talked about SUBCRIBE papaya lotion. I think I talked about SUBCRIBE papaya lotion last week, both the lotion and the soap. One thing about extract lotion is it is written on it that it is a skin whitening lotion, but contrary to that, extract lotion can actually be used by people who have dark skin. So you don't have to be fair, you don't have to be light. Lotion is not harsh at all, like not harsh at all. If you use it, you shouldn't be scared of, oh, I'm going to have stretch mark. You know, all those creams that you use and your mind is racing to 100 or 90 because you feel like, oh, it is strong, it's going to whiten my skin. The way it smells, I think from the smell of some certain creams, you could literally tell that it contains strong chemicals. So this cream, this lotion is not like that. A lot of people believe it can only be used by people who have fair skin. A lot of people will say, oh, if you are dark, if you are chocolate, if you are caramel, don't go near extract, which to me, it's I won't say a lie, but this cream can actually be used by people who have caramel skin. Even if you have dark skin, you can use it. The major ingredient in this thing is just lemon and papaya, which is a natural brightening ingredient. So that's why you see online people will tell you lemon can actually clear dark armpits, because it is a great exfoliant that is going to help you even tone your body. So one thing about this lotion is it is going to give you an even tone skin. So whether you're fair, whether you're light, whether you're caramel, whether you're dark, you can still try to use the extract lotion. In fact, I love it more caramel skin, dark skin people, because of the glow and because of how it even out their skin. In fact, it is a cream that I can, like, within a blink of an eye, recommend to someone who have a caramel skin. You don't want your color to be touched, but you want your skin to look pretty. You want your skin to look pretty and healthy without, you don't want to alter your skin color at all, but you still want it to glow. You still want it to show that you're maintaining and taking care of your skin. This is a cream that I can recommend for someone who have caramel skin, dark skin, or even fair skin, because it can be used by literally everyone. The one with the Arabic on it is the one made in Nigeria, and the one that does not have Arabic on it is the foreign one for this extract lotion. It has an SPF of 10 as well, and SPF of 10 is not enough for your skin. Just in case you use an SPF and you want to stop because you feel like your cream now contains an SPF, so SPF 10 is not enough for your skin. You can still go in with more if you want to, or go in with more SPF on those areas of your body that you feel is exposed to the sun. So yeah, it has an SPF of 10. It's even out the skin. But one thing about this lotion that I just want to point out is, if you have an extremely dry skin, you might not want to try it. If you have an extremely dry skin, I would say maybe settle for SUBCRIBE papaya. The major difference that I see between these two lotions is that papaya seems more moisturizing than extract. Like, extract moisturize as well, but might not be a very good option for someone who have an extremely dry skin. If you have a dry skin, you can still use SUBCRIBE, but if you have normal skin, you can use extract. But just that an extremely dry skin person, that if you rub lotion like this, within minutes you are turning white already, like you did not rub anything, maybe you should use SUBCRIBE papaya as well, because they are both similar in terms of the ingredients, and I feel like to an extent SUBCRIBE papaya is still way more active than extract, and that's why I say extract is not harsh at all. Extract is cool, anyone can use extract, and it's not a cream that is going to give you stretch marks. Some people used to ask, oh, if I'm using a lotion, why do I have to use an oil as well? Body oils help to evenly blend your skin as well. So imagine combining the lotion and body oil together. So even if you have dark skin, if you have caramel skin, and you've been contemplating or you on wanting to try the extract lotion, I can give you a go ahead to go try it. it is not going to harm your skin, it is not going to whiten your skin, because I know how scared people who have dark skin or caramel skin want to maintain that color and don't want to use a product that will start giving them like 4 to 5 colors on their skin. So this is a cream that can actually tell you to try, and it's not going to damage your skin. Another thing that I want to point out is when you're using this lotion, please exfoliate your skin. Please exfoliate your skin. This is the best way to get the best result from lotion, from cream, and does not have to do with this alone. I always try to include it in reviews because it helps you get the best result. It helps you to actually see if a cream is working fine on your skin. You have to exfoliate, and if you're using this lotion, some body scrub that I can recommend to you, you can use the nano range. I'll put some picture on the screen for you guys to see. You can use the nano range for your scrub and just scrub maybe 3 times a week. This will give you more brighter look and more even tone and plump skin while using this lotion as well. So don't think because you are dark skin you cannot try extract. Know at the back of your mind that extract is mild and can be used by literally everyone if you want to try it, and it is not a bleaching cream. It works slowly, and it is not a cream that will give you 3 to 4 shades just like a lot of people have said. No, it's not like that. If you are consistent on this cream, you will actually have more even toned skin, which I think should be a priority to a lot of people who want an healthy skin. The goal is to have an healthy skin, not just a light looking skin. Just make sure that your skin is healthy and you're feeding it with the right ingredients. So this is one thing that I want to talk about this lotion, and comparing it with a Silka papaya lotion. On my whole hand, I feel like Silka is more moisturizing than extract. You can actually still combine your body oil with extract and even both Silka papaya as well, just that if you have an extremely dry skin, you might want to settle with Silka papaya lotion. So this is what I have to say about this lotion. For those of you who have requested this review for so long, I am going to be talking about the Ashanti range next. I think I got some DM about that. The soap, the body wash, and the lotion, this is going to be coming next. So I want you to stay tuned if you actually want to hear review or want to know how this works as well. So thank you guys so much for joining, and before you go, please do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and turn your bell notification on, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.